Installing the Radiator Grille Store Porsche 911 992 GTS radiator grills. First, we're gonna take off this beauty piece, this trim piece. There are a couple tabs underneath. There's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and 4 back there. This will pull out this way and slide that way. You can see here we pulled out this tab, worked our way through the 4 other clips, and then we will pull this out. Here's a better view of the clips. Insert the grill as such, push down the duct and push the grill forward. The grill will sit securely in between the duct and the front bumper. You loosely do the cable ties. Snug up all the cable ties. Do not snug too much where it distorts this bar, and clip them off. Installation of trim pieces, reverse of the removal. Once the beauty cover is installed, this is the toughest part, to get that clip in. All the other clips will snap in, and there's the finished product.